Hi, I'm Jen.
I'm Cora.
And this is Coffee Connections.
Welcome to your daily dose of positivity and gratitude.
Today we've got a fun treat for you. We heard that you can make snow at home. So we've got the ingredients and we're going to try it out. Who wants to make snow with us?
Me.
Awesome.
Me.
Okay, so Cora, what is the recipe for this?
Okay, so first we need 3 cups of baking soda.
Okay.
And there's the opening part.
Well, let's just rip the top. Start opening the other one. Start opening the other one.
Okay. Maybe this one's actually easier. Oh, there's no opening on the top.
All right, you can keep going with this.
And
We don't know how many cups we're going to get out of this. Ah! So you try. Here, you try with this one.
Okay. So we are just guessing on how many cups we can get.
So the recipe is 3 cups of baking soda and half a cup of conditioner. Not shampoo, conditioner.
But if you don't have that much, you could just split the recipe in half, which would be 1.5 cups of baking soda and 1/4 cup of conditioner, not shampoo. Okay, that seems about level.
1.
There's 1.
Okay, keep going.
We might not have enough.
We will. We'll have enough for 3. Keep going.
Okay.
Dump it all. Oh.
Okay,
So that's almost 2.
Okay, this would be good for 1 cup.
Okay. And we're going to make it to 3.
Yes.
Three cups of baking soda. 3 cups of baking soda and half a cup of conditioner.
And so, yes. I've never measured conditioner.
So if you live in a place where it snows, this is probably ridiculous for you. But we live in Southern California and it doesn't really snow in our neighborhood. So this is a fun treat for us, if it works.
Smells good. I once had this squirted into I once had this squirted into my mouth because it was clogged and it squirted the wrong way.
Disgusting.
Awful.
Okay, Cora, have fun. Dump it in. Should I get you a spoon?
Yes.
Okay, get a spoon. I'll get a spoon.
This is like a big glob of conditioner. Probably what I use every shower. No.
Don't worry about the mess. Don't worry about the mess. Okay, so scoop it out, and then I think you're supposed to make it with your hands. Like just knead it like dough, like we did for the donuts.
Alright. I needed, you didn't. So I dare say we.
I'll take this, and you start just turning it into snow.
Oh my gosh. It feels so cold.
Does it really?
Because the conditioner, and I can't get it off. Okay, so you're just supposed to...
And just like if we were at a ski lodge, I will sit back and drink my drink.
While I do all the work and freezing my hands off.
Is it really cold?
It's like ice cold. You try it.
Oh my gosh, it is cold. Don't get it in my coffee. Okay, keep going. See if you can keep going.
It's like getting really lumpy, so it's not really smooth.
No, it looks like fresh powder.
Yeah, it's like fresh powder too.
It does. So see if you can
You
make
can
a
make
snowball.
snowballs.
Oh my gosh. So.
No, wasn't that hard too? You just like. Real snow is actually harder to make a snowball.
Wow.
Wow, if you.
This is crazy. It actually works.
Here, try.
Oh,
like,
you made a really good snowball. I don't know if mine has
no,
enough
try
conditioner.
doing this and like, cause it's really hard. Look, feel how hard it is.
Okay.
Like just lightly.
Oh, wow. I did. I pushed it.
No.
So are we going to make a snowman?
I guess.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Come on, let's go and play. I was in the Frozen play, so I know all the words to all the Frozen songs, which is either a curse or a blessing.
This is so cool. I can't believe we didn't do this when you were younger. This is amazing. I think this is fun for kids of all ages. But then this is what happens. Do you want
to? You can just watch.
Do you want to get some of your minifigures?
Yes, I've saved a whole bag of them for this moment. So, yes, please.
Okay, Cora will be right back. Are you going to use the ones over that are right there?
No.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Or do you want me to pause it?
No, you keep talking to the camera.
This is seriously amazing. I had no idea one time, and this is how we thought of it. I forget where I was, but I was at probably a gift shop somewhere, and it had pretend snow that you could make. And it was a tiny little packet that fluffed up into snow. And she loved it, and she played with it in some kind of pan or tray, and she played with it for days.
I got it.
And so that's why we thought of doing this. Also, it's our spring break. And
spring break, no winter.
And we would love to be skiing, but we're not. And so we thought this would be the next best thing. Plus, totally fun for all ages.
Yep, okay. Okay, I have this.
We'll talk to them and tell them
I
what
have
you're
this,
doing.
so I brought a lot of my minifigures here. And
So
accessories.
these are her minifigures that were already playing in the previous snow,
so
right?
They're a little wet, yeah. They're a little wet. Oh gosh, I'm just making this one wet.
But Cora, when you were a toddler, I
Ooh,
loved
snow bunny.
making these things because I forget what they call them, play trays or something like this, and you can fit a small Tupperware, like a long Tupperware, or any kind of tray. I think we use those IKEA drawers, and we would fill them with sand or dirt. You could do kinetic sand, you could do mud, and then have their cars or their animal figures or their Lego figurines play in them, and it keeps kids busy for a long time.
And I made a tent.
All right, Cora, the scene is yours.
Yes. So, what I did in the last one is where there's this really smart one, and she has like this robot, and the others aren't as smart, we would say. And I would keep having blizzards, and she would keep on having to like save them, sort of, and find everything, and it'd be like a disaster. So here is the snowball meteorite. That is as hard as rock. I thought it was going to explode. Now the smart girl is crushed in it, but you could just like make it like a snow blizzard and just like cover them all up and just like close your eyes and mix them around and then just like take snow from random places.
I'm going to bring the camera closer so they can
Throw
see
them
what
and
you're
then just
talking
like
about.
throw into random places and just close your eyes and mix them all up and then you'd have to like find the smart girl and then she would have to like save. She'd have to save them. And now she's covered in snow and freezing cold.
So Cora likes playing, so what you're saying is it's a game of hide and seek with your toys.
Yes.
Cover them up with snow. I think we made that snow in less than 5 minutes.
Oh, less than like 3. Yeah.
DIY much. Snow in 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Crazy!
And now I want to make snowballs.
Okay.
But I can't because that'd be a mess and I'd be in trouble.
You can totally take it outside and make snowball, have a snowball fight. I don't think we have enough snow for a full fight, but you definitely have enough snow to keep playing with your Legos. So I would suggest if you've got 2 kids, minimum the 3 cups of baking soda and the half a cup of conditioner each per kid. And I'd say you could even double up that recipe. So I don't know if they sell giant boxes of baking soda, but
They do.
they do?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what the guy in the video had.
Cool. Well, this sure has been fun. And
Man, I want to throw on one of these.
this is our video for today. I think we're skipping the gratitude and I know. Okay,
We've never done that before.
we haven't. Maybe
I'm
we'll just
grateful I
do.
made snow. Done. There's your gratitude sesh.
Maybe we'll do gratitude at the end. You know what I'm grateful for? I'm grateful that Cora took some initiative today and made the dogs a toy. So
And it lasted 5 seconds.
it lasted about 7 minutes, but they had so much fun. She took the hard roll from the inside of a tinfoil box, the hard roll that it's wrapped around. And what did you do?
And I just found a piece of fabric and I wrapped it around, taped it, and I thought that it would last days at the least, but
So it was like a fabric covered
with our dog, he rips through
stick.
anything. So if you guys have dogs or smaller dogs, then those might last a few days for your dogs.
Yes, but they were in heaven for at least 5+ minutes. Not quite 10 minutes, but close.
Yeah.
So it was like, all I did was mention it, like, oh, look at this thing. We should give it to the dogs. And then she was like, hold on a second. And she went, I was giving them a toilet paper roll, an empty, and I was giving that to the puppy. And Cora was like, no, wait, we got a hard one. We've got a hard roll we've been saving. And so she just leaves the room and comes back with a dog toy. So Cora, I am really grateful for that initiative. And it was really fun watching. Cooper was actually having more fun with it
Yeah.
than the puppy.
Yeah.
So,
Which is rare,
yes,
I would say.
yes. And I'm also grateful for the happy hours that we're having. We have another happy hour tonight. And I think
Happy hour with your friends.
happy hour with the grown-up friends. So at 7 o'clock. So last night I had a happy hour with some friends. And tonight I've got another happy hour John and I do with some people that we go to dinner with regularly. So I'm grateful for that.
Can we go into the backyard and then divide even piles of the snow and just make snowballs of them?
One more
Go around each
gratitude,
other.
then we're out of here.
Okay, I will take a while of this. No, I'm kidding. I'm grateful I woke up at 10 a.m. this morning.
She totally slept in.
I slept for 12 hours.
Spring break.
Went to bed at 10, woke up at 10.
Yeah, that was nice, huh?
Yeah. Now I have snow and light.
Okay, friends. Cheers to you while you are homebound. We hope that you can find something to be positive and grateful for, and that you find a way to spread some good vibes. Until tomorrow. Bye.
It is so much fun to play with these because you can like use your little Lego characters or sort of figurines, just play with them, have a snowstorm, have mini snowball fights, and or you could just make your own snowballs just quickly and just boom, you have a snowball. You could have it be a meteorite. You could have a snowstorm. Or here's what I plan to do. I plan to just save it to have a big snowball, not big, but to have a snowball fight.
There she is, making one now.
My Legos.
Lego laptop.
Yes, just stuck in my snowball there.